hematomas, which are internal bleedings, compressing the internal organs. And we found intestinal loops in the pelvis, which shouldn't be there. That should stay in the abdominal cavity. That means all the abdominal organs are pressing towards the pelvis and compressing the bladder, the urethra, and also stretching the ureters, which is a connection between the kidneys and the bladder. So, and this is causing all these circulation problems, all this pain.
Can live another 20 to 30 years, but before we give all these promises, some medication have to be given in the next weeks. Not only the medication, but a lot of physical and management have to be changed immediately and done. The elephant should not be chained. He needs to move, needs space, needs massage 3 days at the... We recommended during our last trip to relocate the boss elephant from here because this is not the best condition to keep the elephant. This is the reason I think the authority now understand and they are welcoming and supporting the initiative to move the elephant and relocate them to the safari park. But this recommendation, we said it in August last year.
की तबीयत बेहतर होती है हम शिफ्ट करेंगे गो के वहाँ पे अभी इस तरह के अरेंजमेंट नहीं है, लेकिन हमारी पूरी कोशिश होगी कि एक ऐसी जगह बना दी जाए इनिशियल ताकि वो रहें। उसके बाद बाकी उनका जो प्ले एरिया है, रेस्टिंग रूम है, नाइट रूम है, पूल है, वो तमाम चीज़ें बनेंगी। अभी हमने उनको तकरीबन 1.5 करोड़ के करीब, 1.5 से 2 करोड़ के करीब हमने लिखा था, लेकिन ज़ाहिर है अब अखराजात भी इंक्रीज़ हुए हैं तमाम चीज़ों की। इंशाल्लाह हमारी कोशिश होगी कि इसी में हो जाए।